Hello children, see here one story is there. It's not like a story we can say, it's like one act, and you can perform it at your home also. When we'll come back again, we'll try to perform this act. Now this lesson is about general apron strings. Now what is the meaning of general apron strings? You will come to know later on. At the last we will come to know what is the meaning of general apron strings, and even I want to keep it as a suspense because this is really very nice act, we can say, nice drama we can see for that. So if you see here, work with a partner, list 5 things each that you both can do. Children, you have your own friends, you have your own partner with you, and what all things you both can do we see here. Then compare your list. What is different? Children, you are not same with your friend. Okay, some or the other thing differs with the other. So what is different? You just try to imitate each other or just try to jot down what all things are common in you. Somewhere you are different. Okay, somewhere you are different. If you are dark, some child is fair. Or some things are similar, but somewhere or the other you are different from each other. Would you like to learn a skill your partner has? And every person is having a different skill. Some children they are good in singing, some they are good in dancing, some are in music, or some they are very good in sports. Means many different skills they have. Some are good in drawing or craft. So many skills are there, and what we do, we like to learn the different skills from the other people. So here one story is there, or here one act is there, or one drama is there, which we are going to see. And if you see here, we could find some characters are there. See, narrator is the person who is narrating the story. And who all are the characters? First is Aditya, second is Lolly, Abhay, then Bharat, Vishal, Naveen, Peter, Tariq, Kiran, Gitika, Reena, and Mr. Batliwala. So all these are the characters in this drama. Now there will be the first scene. Just imagine children, you all are sitting in one theater, and now the first scene will be in front of you. Okay, see, I'm going to narrate the story, you just listen. Narrator, Aditya is in the kitchen. Now first scene is what? You could see a kitchen over there, and Aditya, he is in the kitchen. He is trying out a new chocolate cake recipe, carefully stirring chocolate cream into the batter. Now what he is doing, this Aditya, he is preparing a cake in the kitchen, and that is chocolate cake, that is his recipe now. And what is doing, he is carefully stirring the chocolate into the batter. Batter means what, children? Yes, it is a mixture of flour and other ingredients which is used to make the cakes and other baked foods. So that is called as batter. Okay, then this was about Aditya. He was in the kitchen and he is preparing a chocolate cake. Next, voice from the living room. Voice, it comes from the living room. See, who speaks now? Lolly. Lolly, she is calling. Now Lolly is Aditya's sister. Lolly, Bhaiya, your friends are at the door. She is telling, Bhaiya, your friends are at the door. So she is saying, Bhaiya, see, some of your friends had come and they are waiting at the door. Then Aditya, he shouts from the kitchen. Okay, he gives a voice. He says, Aditya, coming Lolly, appearing in the living room. And as he is talking to Lolly, he is saying that, okay, I am coming Lolly, and he comes into the living room. Will you keep an eye on the cake in the oven? Lolly, don't lick anything. Now children, you know, you all are crazy of the cake. So, and this Lolly, she is a small sister, younger sister. Aditya, what he tells to her that, see Lolly, I'll be talking to my friends, just keep an eye, just go and see the cake is in the oven, and you have to see, just go and wait over there. Don't lick anything. Lick means don't, what we do, we put a finger in that and we try to taste that batter. So Aditya is telling to Lolly, just keep an eye on the cake, but don't lick anything. Now Aditya goes to the door. Abhay, Bharat and Vishal, they are standing in the corridor. Their friends had come, Abhay, Bharat and Vishal, and Aditya goes to the door. Abhay is asking to Aditya now, coming to play? Looks at Aditya and starts laughing. And he starts laughing at Aditya and he says, coming to play? Look guys, doesn't Aditya look pretty in his green apron? And Aditya is wearing that apron. When your mother, she is cooking in the kitchen, that time you might have seen she wears that apron, and Aditya was also wearing that apron. So this Abhay, he started laughing at Aditya and he says, see friends, could you see that Aditya is wearing, he is looking very pretty, he is looking very beautiful in green apron. Oh, I love the sunflowers on it, and how it was designed, there were sunflowers on his apron. So just he was teasing him. Okay, he was laughing and he was teasing to that Aditya. If you see the next page, see here, next page, these three boys are teasing to Aditya. In the scene first, the other boys join in. The other boys also, they also started laughing at Aditya. Aditya looks down and presses his lips together. Aditya, he feels ashamed of himself and he looks down and he presses his lips together. Then Bharat and Vishal, what they say? What are you cooking today? Missy apron strings. Now they are calling him Miss because he is cooking. It's not that children, that boys, they do not cook. They cook, but they are just teasing him and they are calling him Missy apron strings. Abhay, everyone in our class will love to hear about Aditya's new hobby. Let's go guys. Now these boys, they are teasing him and they are saying, we'll go and tell everyone that, see, our friend Aditya is cooking in the kitchen, and everyone will love to hear that Aditya's new hobby is cooking. Then the boys walk away, teasing and laughing to that Aditya. Aditya closes the door. Aditya, he doesn't say anything to them, he doesn't speak a word to them, and he goes and closes the door. He leans against it and looks sad, and he feels very sad because they all were teasing him. And then Lolly, what she says? Bhaiya, I think the cake is burning. Almost the cake was burning in the kitchen. Lolly, she tells her, Bhaiya. Aditya straightening his shoulders, coming. Now, Aditya, what he does? He goes running to the kitchen. Then, now the scene will be 2. A classroom, or this is the scene in the classroom now. Class is just about to begin. Boys and girls are standing around the room, talking and laughing in groups. Aditya enters. What happens? All the children, they are standing. See, something happened day before, and the other day what we do, we will be just waiting to tease somebody else. Same thing happened with Aditya. Aditya, he was about to come to the class, and all the boys and girls, they were standing in a group, and they started laughing after seeing Aditya, and they started teasing him. Because, see now, what was the thing? Abhay, good morning, Missy apron strings. Now they have kept a nickname to that Aditya. What is that name? Missy apron strings. Why they are calling him Miss? Because he was cooking in the kitchen. And Abhay, he started teasing Aditya. What he said? Good morning, Missy apron strings. Aditya looks stunned. Aditya, he feels very shocked. He gets shocked after listening that words. The entire class turns to look at him, and what happens? All the class, they start looking at him. Now Kiran is one from their class. What she does see? Abhay said that apron really suits you. She is also teasing him now. What she saying? Whatever apron you were wearing yesterday, it really suits you. You must wear it to school one day. She is saying you can wear it for school also for one day, so that we could also see and we could enjoy you in that apron. All the boys and girls start laughing. Poor Aditya, how mean they all are. See, these boys and girls, they start laughing at Aditya, and Aditya, he walks slowly to his seat. He is ashamed. He doesn't handle, he feels very sad, and he goes back to his seat. The bell rings and the teacher enters. What happens? The school starts, the bell rings and the teacher, she enters in the class. Teacher, quiet, good morning, everyone settle down. She said, okay, When the teacher, she enters in the class, she tells you everyone, okay, she tells everyone to be quiet, and she wishes you in the morning, good morning, she says, and she settles down. Then narrator, what the narrator is saying, the story was about Aditya spreads throughout the school. The story about Aditya's yesterday's cooking spreads everywhere in the school like a rumor. To Aditya, it seemed that everywhere he goes, people are laughing. Wherever Aditya was going, all were laughing at him, and he was feeling ashamed. He was shocked to see all this. Scene 1 was in the kitchen, scene 2 was in the classroom. Now scene 3, another school classroom. 5 boys including Aditya and Abhay and 3 girls including Kiran are in the room. Now there are 5 people in the room, Aditya, Abhay and other 3 girls. Even Kiran was also there. A banner with hiking club is hung across the board. One banner was holding over there. It was hung on the board, notice board, and what was written on that? Hiking club was written on that board. Then Mr. Batliwala, see the next page if you see here. Mr. Batliwala, Mr. Batliwala, he is telling, that is he is the teacher. We will be going on a 10-day hike next week. Everyone must attend. Now he is telling to all the children, all the students, that we will be going next week for the 10 days hike next week, and everyone has to attend the hike club. Please take these forms to your parents, submit them in 2 days to me so I can make all the necessary arrangements. Children, when you are about to go to any picnic or any trip, what your teacher she does, she asks you to fill the application or permission form from your parents, and they collect the fees and they do all the necessary arrangements which is needed for you over there. So even same way Mr. Batliwala also, he did the same thing. Narrator, while the rest of the students talk excitedly about the trip, Aditya slips out of the room. He is happy, maybe they will forget to tease him now. Aditya was very happy. He thought, after when we'll go to the trip, these my friends, they will forget about they will stop teasing me. Now scene 4. A wooded area. They had come to one forest. Tents pitched around a campfire. The students are seated around the fire talking. Mr. Batliwala is standing to the side talking to the cook. All are sitting in the forest, and Batliwala, he is standing near the children and he is talking to one cook. Abhay, hiking is great. It was difficult in the beginning, but I think we are all used to it by now. They went for the hiking and they came back, and what Abhay is saying, really hiking is very great. It was difficult for us for the first time, but later on we got habitual to it and we enjoyed also that. Aditya, he says yes. Now Abhay, snickering, laughing in a Sicilian unkind way. We do it sometimes, isn't it? So Aditya, when he says yes, Abhay, he snickers, and what he says, are you sure you can keep up with us? Missy apron strings. Again he is teasing over here. Means he did not forget this Abhay. Gitika, Abhay, why? Interrupted by loud voices. Oh dear, it sounds like the cook is having an argument with Mr. Batliwala. Let's finish eating and get into our tents. So that Batliwala and cook, they were, I think they were fighting with each other. They could hear that. This Gitika, she says that, Abhay, we could hear that the cook is fighting with Mr. Batliwala. Now the next morning, narrator, the children woke up to see Mr. Batliwala looking very worried. In the morning they got up and they saw that Mr. Batliwala is very worried. Aditya, he goes and asks to Sir, Mr. Batliwala, what is the matter, sir? What Mr. Batliwala, he says, the cook and porters have gone. He says the cook which was there yesterday and the porters, they went back, taking most of our supplies, and also they took our supplies also, and don't know where they went. We will have to manage with what we have, whatever we are having with us now, in a small amount or in a small quantity, in that only we have to manage. After breakfast, I will go to the nearest village to see if I can arrange for someone to come back with me and bring more supplies. You will stay here, Abhay, you will be in charge. Now Abhay is in charge and he will be keeping a watch on the other students. And what Mr. Batliwala, he said, I will go to the nearby village, I will bring some other cook and I will bring other supplies also so that we can cook the food for us. Narrator, by lunch time the teacher had still not written. Now it was almost afternoon and the teacher he did not come back. The students were worried, but more than that they were hungry. They were worried also, they were hungry also, because it was almost afternoon. Abhay, holding his stomach, why isn't there any food? He is saying, Abhay now he is feeling very hungry and he is saying there is no food at all, I am feeling very hungry. See now what happens, see. What happens over here, you see now. Naveen, you are one of his friend. I can't cook at all. Naveen is saying, I can't cook at all. Can anyone of the others make anything? Now he is asking to the other friends that anybody can cook the food or what? Kiran, I don't think we should try. What if it's not good? If we are not able to cook, we should not try for that. Then we would have wasted all that time. Let's go and see if we can pick some berries. So what they did, they went and started picking up some berries and they had that, but then too they were hungry. Narrator, that evening there was still no sign of Mr. Batliwala. Now it was evening time, still Batliwala, he did not return back. The berries had not filled the children's stomach. With the berries we can't fill our stomach. They were still hungry and they were getting angry also on their own. Abhay looking hopeful. Now Abhay, he had one idea in his mind, he had one hope. What he said, we have some flour, can anyone make chapatis? What he is saying, we are having some that flour and shall we make chapatis? Can anybody make chapatis? Then Naveen, no, but now I know why I should have helped my mother in the kitchen. Naveen is saying, see, my mother, she used to tell me that I should help in the kitchen. If I would have helped my mother in the kitchen, I would help you to make chapatis over here. Then Kiran, there is no point in feeling bad now. There is no use of feeling bad now. I think we all know there is only one person who can help us now. Now everyone, there are something strikes in their mind that we have one person who can help us now. Gitika turning to Aditya. Now Gitika means very selfish these people are. See what they did, they turned towards Aditya and what they are saying. First they teased him, and now what they all are saying, please Aditya, will you cook for us? Now they went to Aditya and they started grumbling and they asked Aditya that will you cook for us? Narrator, good cooks made good generals. What he said, generals means the officers from the army. Narrator is saying good cooks make good generals. Children, you may be knowing the military officers, they are able to cook on their own, and that's why when we can say one line, we can say specific line is there that good cooks make good generals. Aditya's mother had told him this when he first asked her if it was alright for a boy to cook. Aditya once he went to his mother and he asked that whether a boy can cook the food, and that time what his mother had told, that good cooks make good generals. See, though the officers they are officers in the military or in the army we can say, but they can make good food. And she said you can cook food, if you are a boy also you can cook the food. Now General Aditya set them all to work. Aditya what he decided, okay, I will help you, and now he was the general, means he was the officer of theirs, and he told them some work for each and every one. The boys were sent to the stream and returned with 2 fat silver fish. What he did, he sent 2 boys and he told them, go and bring 2 fish from the streams. Then Aditya, Gitika, take that plate, put the flour in it and add water slowly. And Aditya what he did, he told Gitika to knead the flour. Then after knead it until you have dough. Kiran and Reena light a fire. Now he told the girls to knead the flour and he told Kiran and Reena to light the fire. I will clean this fish, Abhay will help me. And Aditya said, I will clean the fish and Abhay will help me in this. Gitika holding a ball of flour. Now what Aditya, you know, before making chapati we take a ball and then we flatten it and we start rolling with the rolling pin. Aditya make a small bowl, ball, good. Now Peter take it from her, and now he told Peter, flatten it. He told it to flatten. Excellent. Now on the pan your chapati goes, and he rolls the chapati and then he put it on the pan. Tariq, watch it so it does not burn, and Tariq is frying, or we can say baking that chapati over there. The other two keep making the dough into balls and flattening them. Means these 3-4 they were helping. They were helping each other to make chapati. Now Naveen, what he did? I have rubbed salt and pepper on the fish pieces, Aditya. He said, Aditya, see, we have put the salt and pepper on the fish, and now we are going to fry that fish. Aditya, good. Now we'll just shake some flour onto the fish pieces and fry them. What we'll do? We'll fry the fishes now. Narrator. Soon the air was filled with the aroma of fried fish. You know, children, the aroma of fried fish, even you like and even I like the fried fish. So what the narrator is saying? Soon the air was filled with the aroma of fried fish. The children, they all sat together, they started eating, and they started feeling and talking happily. Sometime later, torchlight shone through the trees, and they could see the torchlight from the trees. And Mr. Batliwala appeared with some villagers. Some villagers were carrying Mr. Batliwala. What had happened? See, he had tumbled down a steep hill and had been knocked unconscious. He fell down from the steep hill, and that time he was unconscious. So he was late to come back here. The villagers had rescued him, and the villagers, what they have done? They helped this Mr. Batliwala to come here. And everyone had hurried back to the campsite, and everyone they came running to say, Mr. Batliwala. Mr. Batliwala, are you okay, children? Now Mr. Batliwala, he is only injured, he is only not well, but he is asking the children that, are you all okay? Are you all well? Did you eat anything all day? Now in a worry, he is asking them, did you eat something? I have been so worried, I was worried over there. Abhay and Kiran. Now Abhay only was teasing that Aditya and even this Kiran. What they told that this Mr. Batliwala that, sir, we are fine. General Apron Strings took care of us. What they said? General Apron Strings. First they call him as Missy Apron Strings, and now after cooking or after helping, see, that was the quality, that was the hobby of Aditya, but it helped them when they were in difficult situation and difficult condition. Also, because of Aditya, they could have their food. And Abhay and Kiran, what they said to Mr. Batliwala, that sir, we are fine because of General Apron Strings. They did not call him Missy Apron Strings. Now they are calling him General. General means officer. General Apron Strings, he took care of us. Mr. Batliwala, he was worried that who is the general? Who is the General Apron Strings? He was worried, and then everyone they started laughing. Now Mr. Batliwala was not knowing who is General Apron Strings, because only these people, these children, that Aditya, this Kiran, all they were, Naveen, all they were teasing him as Missy Apron Strings. See children, everyone is having a good quality in every person. Everyone they have a good quality, and really it is useful throughout your life. Even the boy also can cook the food. He can also be a good chef. Okay, it's not that only the girls need to cook. Even the boys also, they can cook, they can do good things, they are good dancers also, or they are good singers. Many good qualities each and every person is having in us, and we have to utilize that hobby or that thing for the others. Means how we can help them through our hobby or our skill. So every person is having different skills in us. Some are good in dancing, some are good in singing, some are good in cooking, some are good in hiking, or some they are very good in telling stories, many other things, many other qualities, every person is having, and each quality we should utilize to help each other. So in this way, Abhay and Kiran, they were teasing this Aditya, but Aditya's hobby of cooking has helped these all needy children when they were in trouble. And later on, when Mr. Batliwala, he was worried about these children, that all the children, they might be hungry. I was here, I was not well, I fell down, and what all things had happened here. So he was worried about that. But what had happened? Aditya only helped them in their trouble, in the difficult situation. So children, you should not laugh at anybody. If any other person is doing any other good thing, you should learn from them. You should learn the good things from them, because that will be useful for us. See children, this act or drama, we can see, you can perform it, and I hope children, this act, if you perform, one thing I want to tell you, that children, you take 3 or 4 children from your house, from your home only, and you can do it. You have to, you perform that act or drama, and you please send me a video so that I can telecast for you on the session or on the television. So I request you children that this is one drama. You can perform this drama at home. You take these all characters with you, and see, the dialogues are also there. So you can use these all dialogues, and you can perform this drama, and you play that act, and try to make a video at least of 10 to 15 minutes, so that we can telecast and we can show you on the television. So I hope children, you have liked this story or this drama. And the thing is, what I want to tell you, that you should utilize whatever skill you have. You should utilize for your not for your favor, but for the other people. And see children, here if you see below, some meanings are there. That meanings you have to learn. You have to underline the hard words, and whatever question answers are there, just try to find out the question answers from the back, and you just try to underline those words. See children, if you see on page 48, here you can see on page 48, here one question is there: who said the following, when and why? Here some dialogues are there, that those dialogues, who has said and when and why, this you try to find out, and you just try to write down the answer over here. So first one is what? Everyone in our class will love to hear about Aditya's new hobby. You just try to find out this dialogue, who has said. Are you sure you can keep up with us, Missy Apron Strings? Then let's go and see if we can pick some berries. I think we all know there is only one person who can help us now. And the last is what? We are fine, sir. General Apron Strings took care of us. These all 5 dialogues are there. You try to find out who said these dialogues, and when they said, and why they said. Then you write those answers. You write those answers in your notebook, and just send it me so that I can find out. The other thing is what? Once again, I want to tell you children, you try to act that drama. I want to see you create those scenes. First scene is in the kitchen, second scene is in the classroom, then third scene we can say it is in the other classroom, and the fourth scene is in the forest. So you try to do that drama. You collect some of your friends and you try to do that drama. Even all the dialogues are there, and you just make one video of that, and you send it to me first on my WhatsApp, that I could see and I could forward it, so that will be telecasting on the television, so others also will be enjoying. See children, instead of listening this story, if you act it really it will be very will feel very interesting to listen and to hear to see also. So children, it's my request, anybody from yours, you can try to act this drama. So this was all about General Apron Strings. So I hope children, you might have understood why the lesson's name is General Apron Strings. They used to call Aditya as Missy Apron Strings, but because of his because of his hobby of cooking, they started calling him General Apron because he had helped him by cooking, and they had come out through that difficult situation. So I hope children have liked this story. Try to make a video of this drama and please send it to me on my WhatsApp. Thank you children, and please once again I am telling you, please do that drama and send it to me on my WhatsApp. I will be forwarding it. Okay, thank you.